Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost pepper ranch. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need a creamy base of mayonnaise and buttermilk, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. For that signature tang, grab 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. We'll also use a blend of savory spices like garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of smoked paprika. Don't forget the fresh herbs, dried parsley and dill, and of course, the star, ghost pepper. Now, let's get started on the creamy foundation of our ranch. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Whisk these two ingredients together thoroughly until they are perfectly smooth. Next, incorporate the 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This step is crucial for achieving that classic ranch tang and ensuring a consistent, creamy texture before we introduce our flavorful spices. With our creamy base ready, it's time to infuse some serious flavor and heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, along with 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried dill. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking. Now for the star. Carefully add 1/2 teaspoon of ghost pepper powder or 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Remember, ghost peppers are incredibly potent, so taste as you go to achieve your desired spice level. Once all your ingredients are combined, give the ranch a final whisk until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. If you find the consistency too thick, simply add a tiny bit more buttermilk, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your preferred texture. Now, cover your bowl and refrigerate the ghost pepper ranch for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all those incredible flavors to meld and deepen. Then, it's ready to serve and enjoy with your favorite snacks or meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.